Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two budget-friendly smartwatches. The other one, we have here the newest smartwatch, Haylou Watch S6. It is a budget-friendly smartwatch from Haylou. And the other one, another budget-friendly smartwatch, but this time it is from Redmi, the Redmi Watch 5 Active. On this video, we are going to compare these two wearables. We'll check its specs, the design, as well as the offered features. So which is better in terms of features and design, as well as the specs. If you want to know more, if you want to see the details on our comparison review, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, let's begin and compare the Haylou Watch S6 with the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, so this is the packaging. Both do have a simple approach when it comes to packaging of the wearable. So we have the specs here, so let's compare. 2.01 high definition display, the other one is 2-inch LCD large display. So both do have a 2-inch screen display. Slightly bigger for the Haylou Watch S6. Just minimal difference. Both do have a Bluetooth call support. 18 days of battery life. Here we do have 7 days of battery life only. Okay, I don't know if this is normal usage, because here, as you can see, basic usage, it lasts for about 30 days. For the sports function, we have 140 plus workout modes. So 120 plus workout modes for the Haylou Watch S6. So the advantage goes to the Redmi Watch 5 Active when it comes to sports function. So it has an all-day heart rate and stress monitoring. We do have here heart rate sleep monitoring. You can also set this to an all day or automatically checking your heart rate. Okay, there's the voice assistant also, as well as the Bluetooth call. But I guess the Bluetooth call here for the Redmi Watch 5 Active is much better, as you can see here, dual mic for clear calling. Okay, so let's check out the design of the wearable. Again, this is the Watch S6 with the specs here, and the other one is the Redmi Watch 5 Active. They almost have the same features here. Okay, 5 ATM waterproof. I think this one is IP67 waterproof rating, so much better when it comes to waterproof protection for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, so we are done with the specs and the packaging. Let's go with the design. So here's the wearable. So small form factor or small frame for our Watch S6 compared to our Watch 5 Active. Okay, the thickness also is very obvious, very thick for Redmi Watch 5 Active. There's no crown button here. We do have it here, but I like the design here of the Watch 5 Active. Although they almost have the same screen display when it comes to size, the body frame of the Watch 5 Active is much bigger. Okay, let's check on the weight here. Both do have a plastic material for the body frame. So let's check. 37.94. We have 44.28. So more than 10 grams. Okay, so there's a huge difference when it comes to weight. So this one, it caters for those who want a lightweight and with a smaller wrist. Let's try to see the difference when it comes to the width here. So for our Watch 5 Active, we have 40.5 for the width. How about here? We only have 38.2. And for the thickness, 9.8. So this one, it is around 12.0. So there's a huge difference when it comes to the 11.4. Okay, 11.5. Still, there's a huge difference when it comes to the thickness. Okay, let's check out the back cover here. Both do have, again, plastic cover. So here's the back cover of each smartwatch. Both do have a pogo pin magnetic charging. Again, for the screen display, they almost have the same size. Just a minor difference. But the size here for the body frame is, there's a huge difference here, as you can see. So which do you think is better when it comes to design? Drop a comment below. Let me check out the display again. So for the display, 2 inch for our Redmi Watch 5 Active. I think it's much bigger, a bit bigger for our Haylou Watch S6. As you can see here, 2.01 inch. Okay, bigger and clearer view. But I guess the pixel resolution is much better for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, again, let's have a closer look here. So which do you think is much better? Let's adjust the brightness first. Settings, the brightness display, full, so we can differentiate. It's okay. Okay, so it's the same. So which do you think is better when it comes to the color? I think it's just the same, I think. So Watch S6, Watch 5 Active, Haylou, and this one is Redmi. Okay, so that's it for the design as well as the display. So let's proceed with the menus and features. So for the menus and features, let's check. Notifications here on top. Okay, while for the Haylou Watch S6, the usual, the settings and other options here for your smartwatch. On the bottom part, we have the settings. So it's the opposite. Okay, but if you're going to check on the settings and other options, okay, here it is. Okay, so which is better? Which has more options? Notifications. So here's the notifications. Okay, on the right side or on the left side, we have different modules here or cards. Okay, I think it's just the same style. Okay, but I like the UI here of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. For the menus and features, just press the power button and we have here the workouts. Let's see, we have the same style. Okay, walking, outdoor running, indoor cycling, running, outdoor running, go. Let's see. So both tracks the time, the distance, the calories, as well as the pace here. Okay, we have the heart rate also, and Okay, and so here are the list of sports. Remember, the Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a support for connected GPS. So running sports. So for the sports functions, let's check again the specs here on the box. For the Watch S6, we do have 120 plus workout modes. Here we have 140 plus workout modes. Okay. For the additional features, we have the heart rate. So different UI. We have the vitality score, stress, sleep monitoring. We have weather. We have calendar also. We have here an SOS. I don't know if we have it here. We'll check it. Alarm, Bluetooth call, music. We have a calculator. No, we don't have a calculator here. But we have a world clock. We don't have a calculator here. Oh, we don't have a world clock, but we have a calculator. For the settings, so watch face, brightness, you can set the time, auto detect sports for our Watch 5 Active. We don't have it here on the Watch S6. As you can see, we have an auto detect of sports function. We don't have it here. Okay, power saving mode. So there's a lot of options here for our Redmi Watch 5 Active that is not available here in our Watch S6. But as you can see here, we do have an SOS as well as other functions that is also not available here in our Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, other than that, they're almost the same smartwatch when it comes to offered features. For the workout, we have 140 plus, 120 plus for our Watch S6. Okay, so which do you think is much better? I think the Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a much better features here, more options compared to our Watch S6. But in terms of the design, I think I like the design here of the Watch S6 compared to our Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, for you, which is better? Drop a comment below. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.